everyone, Nicole here from CellBotics. So this is going to be a quick video just to show you where you can buy masks that help protect you from this virus. I personally have seen a lot of people frustrated because they cannot find masks online. Some states are actually requiring masks, and I think eventually all states will require masks, which I think would be great. So I wanted to put this video out to help any of you. You do not need to be in the cell phone industry. We also have a discount code CB masks that you can use on this website that will give you 5% off. So this website is injuredgadgets.com. You will see that on their menu they have an easy link that you can go to, click it, and it's going to take you right to their supplies. You'll see some masks at the top. Those are great masks. I actually use the ones with the little emoji girl on them and then the KN95. We also do have surgical masks. So whichever one that you're looking for, maybe you're an entrepreneur and you want to buy masks and resell them locally, that's a great idea. Or maybe you want to buy and donate them. Maybe you're a business and you are essential and you need to have them. Either way, this is great for you. You don't have to have a cell phone business. You just go there and check out. If they're going to charge you sales tax, if you have a sales tax resale certificate, you can send it to them and they won't charge you taxes. At the bottom, you'll also see that they have little sanitizer machines for cell phones. If you're not in the cell phone industry, this might not be something that you need, but I thought that was pretty cool. So we hope everybody stays safe. We think it's great that you're wearing masks. Here, we actually wear masks everywhere we go. I am self-quarantined, but if I go to the grocery store or I go to the shop, I'm wearing a mask. Anybody that's working around me is wearing a mask. And so everybody stay safe, and we hope that this virus goes away soon and everything can go back to normal. Like and subscribe, and if you have any other video ideas, please leave them below. We are quarantined, and Michelle and I are looking forward to doing lots of videos for you guys, but we're running out of ideas. All right, everybody stay safe.